Welcome back. At around 11:30 this morning, Skyroot Aerospace will undertake the maiden orbital launch of Vikram 1, which is India's first privately developed launch vehicle. Now, this four-stage rocket, which is designed to provide rapid and on-demand launch services, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi has hailed this milestone, saying that this development marks a new frontier for India's space sector. And as we will be witnessing this event in some time from now, as the flight will test whether India's private launch sector is ready for regular commercial missions. So the Prime Minister has also hailed this program as India's space program is on the cusp of a historic milestone as Skyroot Aerospace's Vikram 1 stands ready on the launch pad of Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota for its maiden orbital mission, which will be taking place at 11:30 a.m. So let's exactly put out what the Prime Minister has to say, and I'm quoting, saying that a historic new frontier for India's space journey. At 11:30 a.m., Skyroot Aerospace will undertake the maiden orbital launch of Vikram 1, which is India's first privately developed launch vehicle. He says that this four-stage rocket, which is designed to provide rapid and on-demand launch services, he says that this mission highlights the talent, determination and the entrepreneurial spirit of our youth. It also shows how space sector, the reforms are unlocking new opportunities for innovation and enterprise. And the Prime Minister is now giving his best wishes to the entire Skyroot Aerospace team for a successful launch. And may Vikram 1 soar high, create history and inspire a generation of innovators. And the Prime Minister further says that I urge all Indians, especially my young friends, to follow this historic mission and join in wishing Team Skyroot success. And India with Vikram 1 is the Prime Minister is now wishing the entire team. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi's handwritten postcard is also set to head to space as Skyroot Aerospace's Vikram 1 rocket will be carrying Prime Minister Narendra Modi's postcard as part of its maiden orbital mission, which is Mission Agaman. And this postcard bears the words Vande Mataram and will be traveling alongside handwritten messages from ISRO veterans, Indian astronauts, scientists, policymakers and members of the country's space community. Dharni is with us right now. Dharni, this would be a new chapter in India's commercial space ambitions.
Well, definitely. In fact, the word Agaman means arrival in Sanskrit. So it means the arrival of a new era for India's private space sector. That is why this name has been chosen for this mission. And as far as the launch is concerned, we're in fact right now reporting from the Satish Dhawan Space Center here in Sriharikota. And exactly by 11:30 a.m. this morning, Vikram 1 will be launched into space. And in fact, multiple scientists from Skyroot Aerospace, they're already here and there coordinating with the scientists in ISRO to make this launch as smooth as possible. And talking about the launch vehicle, that is Vikram 1, this is, as you rightly said, this is India's first privately developed orbital launch vehicle. And this has a capability of carrying up to 350 kilograms of payloads into the lower Earth orbits. And Vikram 1 is of 22 meters height, and today it is going to carry multiple payloads, both from private companies and from the public sector departments. So in fact, these payloads include, as you said, one handwritten postcard from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and apart from this, it will also have micro sculptures of Vikram Sarabhai, APJ Abdul Kalam, and also C.V. Raman. So as a tribute for the contribution that these three legends have made to the space sector in India, their micro sculptures are going to be carried by Vikram 1 into the space. And in addition to that, an artistic lab-grown diamond is also going to be carried into the space, and this diamond is in fact from a private company. So today we have multiple payloads, and the very special one here today would be the postcard, the handwritten postcard from Prime Minister Narendra Modi that is going to go into the space through Vikram 1 by this mission, Agaman. So the launch will take place exactly by 11:30 a.m. and already scientists and experts from both Skyroot Aerospace and ISRO, they are coordinating, and the last minute checks and balances that are being done. In another 1 hour we can expect the countdown, the final set of countdowns to begin, and by 11:30 a.m. exactly from the Satish Dhawan Space Center here the launch will take place.
All right, so what has now been said, this is a very special launch, wishes that have been pouring in, and that has been extended on part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well. Engineers, what has now been said, are doing the last-minute checks, carrying out integrated vehicle test, telemetry interface checks and radar tracking validation ahead of the scheduled launch, which is expected to happen at around 11:30 a.m. So we'll be standing by for this historic development. In the meantime, we head into a very short break. You're watching Times Now.